We're going to be doing a quick review on the TOGUARD 2K dash cam, and it includes a rear view camera. So I've had this camera for about 3 months now, and I'm extremely impressed with the way it functions and the quality of the video. So you just turn the car on, and it says TOGUARD monitor what you concern. So now that the video's on, you can barely see me. There's very little in my hands and stuff. You can turn it off by there's this little button underneath it. You just click it and it becomes a normal rear view. It's crazy. And then you just tap it again, back to your cameras. So it can become a normal rear view mirror and it can switch back to a camera. So now it's showing both. This is the front and this is the rear. So I can swipe and change what camera's on. This is the front now, this is the rear now, and it's showing both again. So I'm just gonna keep it on rear because I like it as a rear view camera. And yeah, the quality it's rating right now, and the quality is insanely impressive. The lens is just not getting, the water falls right off of it. The front windshield has rain on it, and I could just turn my wiper on and it just looks really clear again. So yeah, I'm just so impressed with this camera. Like, it's totally worth $130 or whatever it's at right now. So yeah, right here's your it just tells you all this information. So it tells you your speed, if you have the GPS module, which I've hidden there somewhere. It was very easy to route the wires. It's just all you have is a power, reverse cam, and the GPS wire. So yeah, it tells you the time, the date, it tells you the speed you're going. It's absolutely amazing. This camera has so many features. So when you click on this, it pops this menu down. You can take a picture, you can turn your mic off, you can stop recording, you have settings, you can lock the video so it can't over loop it. And yeah, then it has like a G sensor too, so if you got in an accident, it would automatically lock the video. So that's what I just activated by accident. So it has loop record, it has all these customizable features. It's just incredible how many things you could change. I'm not going to go through in detail, but yeah, it just has these features. It has voice control. It's just packed. So yeah, that's all I was just showing you guys. There's not much to show here. It's very straightforward to install and use. It takes little to no effort. All you do is put your SD card in the top there, and it automatically just starts recording. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the reverse feature really quick. So it's right there. You put in reverse, and it points down and shows you this really helpful reverse guide. And then you put it back in park, and it goes back to normal. So yeah, I totally recommend buying this camera. And in my opinion, I've went through 4 of these. I've bought 4 different ones. This is the 4th one I bought, and it's the best. I bought all these other brands, and I bought 2 other TOGUARDs, but this is the newest and most updated version, I think, and totally recommend it. All right, see you guys.
So I just landed back in Chicago from Las Vegas, the CES conference. You can see it's almost 1 in the morning, but I figured I'd do a little video on this dash cam because it's kind of neat. So some good things. First off, 2K video. The quality is really sharp, so you can see that. In fact, I'm recording, I think, in 2K. Yeah, I'm recording in 2K. Other cool thing is it has, well, you can see all the features it has here, but the one thing that I think is really cool, it has voice commands, so you can see what those are here. So, you know, I'll do a little example here. So, turn off screen. Ta-da. Turn on screen. That's kind of cool. So you kind of get the idea. There's a couple of different things you can do. The voice commands, you know, some other cool stuff. You can look and see what's on the card. It saves everything. I can have it loop. I can have the audio on. But really cool stuff. You can see here, turn off screen. You can see, well, let me see if I can turn this light on in here. You can see it looks really flush. So, sorry for the crappy quality of my phone, but you can see it looks really flush. You know, there's a few things obviously I would improve, just like anything. I wish, for example, the loop record was longer than 5 minutes, but you know, that's super minor. But really, aside from that, I'd say it's really solid. It's touch screen. you know, you can adjust the angle of what you're looking at, so I can literally just drag it. I want it to be about right there. But yeah, so really cool. I can swipe it to the right, and I can see all the videos that I'm recording. I can delete them. But yeah, solid dash cam, worth the money. Highly recommend it. The voice command's really cool, so I don't have to do anything. If I want to do something, I can just touch the screen super quick. There's no buttons. So yeah, pretty sweet. I don't have the rear camera. It does come with a rear camera. I don't have that hooked up because I don't want, I need it professionally installed. You know, I need to run the wire. I don't want wires going through the middle. I'm more of a single dash cam kind of guy, but the cool thing is it does have the rear camera as well. So anyway, super cool. Hope this was helpful, and drive safe, guys.
So if you wire this correctly, this is off, slap it into reverse, immediately on. Alright, so we got the TOGUARD CE60. It's a rear view mirror / dash cam, FHD. Right on, so I got it. It comes with 12-volt accessory harness that just plugs into your cigarette lighter port. That's nice and all, but you got no power unless your key's turned on. As you can see in this review here, you can see the reflection of my headrest, so it acts as a mirror, plus it's actually a screen. So you can see right now, you're seeing when you first start up the car and power on this thing, it seems to go to the rear camera first of all. So you have to, there's a list of words of command you have to say to tell it what to do. One of them, I think, is show front screen. Show front camera. There we go. So now it's got the front camera on there. So if I got it all hooked up properly and everything now, so when I put the car in reverse, boom, now it switches to my backup camera. It's got the little red lines that tell you if you're going to hit something. Pretty neat. Put her back in gear, goes to forward. There's a lot of things you can do. You can say turn off screen. Turn off screen.
Okay.
There, now you just got the mirror. Turn on screen.
Okay.
Take a photo. Take a photo. So I don't have an SD card in there because it doesn't come with one. Another good idea, really, I'd recommend for this is if you don't have a good SD card, or if you don't buy one with it, it might be a good idea to buy some sort of an external power source, like a backup battery. If you could rig it up with one of these USB 12-volt outlet things, you could plug in your battery pack into this and charge it, plug your dash camera into the battery pack, and then that thing would work as a security camera when your power is off until your battery pack dies. That's the only thing I would say about this. It would be nice if the SD card came with it, and it'd be nice if it had some type of a battery system so that you could do some, you could store some stuff and take some footage or pictures or whatever of stuff when your car's not on, your key's not on. So overall, not a bad little rig. It's kind of a pain to install. It should come with an SD card, but other than that, it's nice to have a backup camera and a dash cam.
Show reverse camera. Start reversing. Show front camera. Oops. Quit reversing. Turn on audio. Turn off audio. Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Video stop. Video start. Take a picture. Take a picture. There you go. This thing's pretty darn good. Super, super high quality videos. Show reverse camera. Show reverse camera. Reverse.
Show front camera. So the setup was super easy. The wiring, I still have to make it pretty going around the car, but the setup was super easy. Show both camera. I love the fact that it's voice activated. Show rear camera.
Okay.
Show front camera.
Okay.
Show both camera.
Okay.
Turn on audio. Turn off audio. Well, that one I'm not really using.
Okay.
Turn off screen.
Okay.
So if I don't want a screen on, turn on a screen.
Okay.
Video start.
Okay.
Video recording is started right now. Video stop.
Okay.
Stops recording. Take a photo.
Turn on screen. Show both cameras. Show front camera. Turn off screen.
Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Turn off screen. Turn off on screen. Turn on screen.